So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am sharing a 100% free coupon for this Python course by Udemy. And this course is created by Learn5 IT, and I want to mention this course is only free for first 1000 students who are using this coupon, and after that 1000 limit, this offer is not eligible. Therefore, make sure to enroll in this course as soon as possible, because after that limit, this offer is not going to valid. And so let's talk about some details about this course. This course title is Python App Development Masterclass App Development Bootcamp, created by Learn5 IT, and this course is having 17 lectures within 6.5 hours, and you will get a certificate of completion by Udemy. And so you can learn the basic of Python programming and its applications, object-oriented programming concepts and best practices, and how to build different type of Python applications including web apps, data analysis tools, and games, and how to write a clean, efficient, and maintainable Python code. And also you can learn a problem solving and debugging techniques. So there is no experience required for this course, and you also having a full-time live access. So let's see how to get this offer for free. So guys, make sure to follow the steps correctly, and keep in mind this coupon is only valid for first 1000 students, and only valid for limited time period. Therefore, if you miss this chance, don't worry, there are plenty of free courses are daily updating by our YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, and keep in touch with our channel for latest videos for uh, these kind of free coupons. So first of all guys, you need to copy this link from the description, and you need to copy that, and you need to first of all log into your Udemy account. Yes, you must have a Udemy account for this enroll with this course, because the course is provided by Udemy. And after you sign into your Udemy account, you want to open a new tab and paste that link. And keep in mind, if you can, please use a desktop or laptop for this process. Sometimes for the smartphones this is not working, therefore make sure to always use a laptop or desktop for this process. And after you paste this link, you want to go to this link, and you will see this free icon, and you need to enroll now. If you are not eligible for this free coupon, make sure to log in with a new account and try again. After that also, that free offer is not valid. That means the coupon got expired. Therefore, don't worry, you can check our YouTube channel and go to our latest videos, and go to that offers. There are plenty of free courses. After that, you want to enroll. Now click on enroll now, and you will go to this page as your card is free and your total is 0%, $0, and you want to click enrollment, and there you go. Now this I got enrolled with this course and it is free to use. If you want to start it now, you can start this course and you will see you can access this course, and after you completing all of these you will get the certification and for the finishing this course, and that's it. So make sure to follow the steps correctly. So guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe our channel and keep in touch with our latest videos, because I will provided you these kind of 100% free coupons daily. And therefore, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video, and see you guys in the next video.